Very good morning. Welcome in my next video lecture, how to create menu in Android application. Now let's open new application. This is new application. In this we create option menu. There are three category of the menu in Android. So in this application we create option menu, context menu, this is the second one, and pop-up menu. So these are three menu, but we create option menu. So now for creating option menu, we click on resource folder, right click on resource folder and select new and select Android resource file. Here we give file name, menu, resource type, menu, and let's we change file name, my menu, resource type menu, and source set and directory name both are same. Name is not valid file resource name character because file based resource name must only lower case. So now we don't give capital letter. Okay, so now this is the one very important thing. We don't give file name as a capital letter. So now click on OK button. So it will create my menu XML file in menu folder, and that folder basically create in the resource folder. And now in this my menu.xml file we create a menu. We open in split mode, and here we use item tag, so you can create option menu. So now let's we use item, and here you can use some attributes like ID, then icon, and now here you can create some more icons, and these icons are available in the vector and vector asset. So for that creating some icons, we click on drawable folder, go to new, and these are two options, image asset and vector asset. Click on vector asset. So here you can see clip art. So click on clip art. So these are many icons are available. So you can choose any one icons. Flight. Let's we choose flight icon. Okay. We change the name of baseline underscore flight. Next. Finish. So now that will create flight icon in drawable folder. So you can see here IC baseline underscore flight.xml. So let's we use this icon in this icon property. So now here we write baseline flight. Title. This is the third property we can use. Write hi. And one more very important property, show as action. And here there are following options you can see. So now if we want to display that item at the top of the menu, so we always use this always options. So now you can see this that icon. flight icon. Okay. Now same case, you create more item. So let's we copy and paste. We don't use same icon again. So now we change ID and change title. Hello. So that title is visible here. So now in the designing part, you can see these kind of the options. Again, we create more item. Change ID and hi, hello, bye. So these are the title. You can assign anything. Okay. So now these show actions we are using always, so that will display. But obviously, this is a very small space. You cannot display multiple options here. So now in that case, we can use one more options, never. So when we choose this never option, so you can see 3 dot. So when we click on 3 dots, now it provide more options. Again, if we create, okay, and now suppose we want to create a menu group which contain more options. So we can create by using item title select. We don't need show action options. Okay. And now in this, we have to create menu tab. And in this menu, again we create some more item. Change Android ID, title. So here we can use cut, and we don't require the show the actions property. Okay. And now here close item tag. Okay. So now such interface is visible here. So I hope you understand. So this is the select menu in which you can create multiple items. Now like cut, copy, paste. So now again we can use copy paste, more options, and change Android ID. Okay. So this is the way to create menu, and that menu we create in menu XML file. But when we execute this program, obviously activity main.xml file show. So now here we have to connect this my menu.xml file in the activity main.xml. So for that purpose, we have to write some code. So now we click on main activity.java file, and here we have to use one method, and that method is on create option menu. So now this is the basically method we have to use, and here we have to call my menu.xml file. So now that menu is visible on activity main.xml file. So here we have to write some code. We call menu inflator, and we create object like mf assigned to get menu inflator. Okay, and that object use method inflat, in which we pass two argument r dot menu folder, and that menu folder contain my menu xml file, and second argument which is passing in this method menu. So this is the two line of code we have to write, and through this line menu options is visible on activity main.xml file. Okay, so now we save this program and let's execute. So I repeat, what is the procedure to create option menu? So first we right click on resource folder. Okay, select new and now create Android resource file, and in this file we have to give a file name, and that file name we have to create in menu folder, and after that such file will be created, and here we have to write the code. So we use item tag and menu tag and use some attributes like Android ID, Android title, Android icons, and so as action. So now through these attributes we can draw such kind of the menu, and that menu we are creating in option menu underscore alert. That menu basically we are creating my menu.xml file. So now that file we have to connect activity main.xml. So for that purpose we have to write Java code, and where we create on create option menu. So this is the on option. On create option menu. So here we write two line of code. We create menu inflator object, and that object contains two arguments. So r.menu.my menu xml file. This is the file we have created, and second menu argument which is passing on create option menu. So through this way we can connect my menu.xml file with the activity main.xml file, and it's visible. So let's we see the execution. And now one more thing, if we click on a particular item, now we are creating hello, cut, copy, paste, now that flat icon. So if we click on that item, now nothing will be happen because we are not writing any code. So now in the next video lecture, I will tell you, and we use one more method on option item selected. So through when we click on a particular options, now it will print some message. So I will tell you in the next lecture. So let's see the execution. Execution is going. So now here we see the output. And now these options are visible here. Gradle build finish. Now install launching activity. So now the execution perform on Android emulator. And Android emulator take more time as compared to the real mobile. Okay, now so this is the output of this application, and here you can see in the top hand side now icon, flight icon, hello, and three dot. When we click on this three dot, now the one more options by select, in which we create cut, copy, paste. So these options we have create, and through you can create option menu in your applications. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.